Alrighty. Here we go.
Laser field.
Awesome. Okay, hey Blanca, we're back here, and this is the new updated main menu with the art. We just need theme music for the background here. It's just a nice jungle scene, and then we go to the Overlord scene, which you've got audio for us for that, which is good. Hit X, Blanca. And then this is the updated level 1 with the art and the new characters, as you see, the archer and the wizard. And we just need theme music for this. So another sort of jungle setting. Right here. Yeah, the crouch should be working. Alright, you have to go back and jump on the leaves. Inverted leaves.
Oh. Brian, hold on, let me
Oh wow, I fell off too. It's okay. Just quick tap. Quick tap, Micah.
Oh my god, Brian. You should not play this game.
Alright. There we go, moving right along. Alright, awesome crouch animation.
Did the arrow shot SFX didn't get included in that folder?
Are they not? Alright, I'll import it. You gotta crouch. There you go. Yeah, crouch jump. Hold it. Hold square.
The animation, you
Yeah.
can. It just the animation.
Hold
doesn't show
L1
you.
and then
The animations are still fucked up, aren't they?
a little bit, yeah.
Look at that crow right there.
We all see some perfect.
Oh yeah, Micah, hit square.
Square.
Yeah. See, okay. As she's hitting square, you can see the laser, or the... not laser. The electricity coming out of the wizard. We just need an audio sound for the electricity. You have to get, like, super close. There you go. Now hit it. Hit square. But yeah, that's what it is. That's his new attack. So there's no sword anymore. He just throws electricity, and we'll need a sound for the electricity.
Should even hit him.
Now you have to be like super close to him. Square repeating. There you go. Wizard attack. Stand on that real quick. And then face that for me. That's the only on face? That's the only button you're hitting, right?
What need to do
Jump up here. Stand on the thing, Micah. There you go. There you go. It's alright. I'll find you trolling.
Is that checkpoint? That little glowy thing?
No, that's a soul shard. And then hit L2.
Okay.
Yeah, and then put that shield over your head. So I can jump on it.
Oh, that's cool.
And that's the end sphere. Cool. So yeah, we'll just need music sound effects for the in-game background of that level. Okay, that's again like that. And he's done something there. And then this is level 2 with all its art assets in there. We'll face that wall. Yeah, we've got some leaves going on. It's a little bit darker.
I gotta go a little bit help you.
Yeah. Yeah, get super close to him. There you go, button masher. And then, oh yeah, Micah, get on that side and press square. Other side.
Other side?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh.
That's in there twice.
Oh, that's cool.
There we go.
I forgot which one I was on.
Okay. All of the sound is in the file, so.
Can you jump over there? Jump on that over there. Mikey, you and jumping. It's not your friend.
No, it's not. Jump. It's not letting me jump on there though. No, it is.
Oh, it's black. Fix that guy. Fix that guy.
How do you get?
Trying to hit it. There we go. Then yeah, that's the end of level 2, so we'll just need a sound for that in the background. Just theme music in the background.
How's that for theme music?
I think that's for the Overlord, right?
Nope.
What is it?
This is the
Hit it. So what? Phases? What's that labeled as, Marcus?
what?
What's that labeled as?
That's it.
Yeah, that's the Overlord.
No. This is Plants vs. Zombies.
Is it?
I'm just playing with the pitch.
No. But yeah, this is level 3, completed with all the art stuff. We just need the theme music for the background.
Which one do I need to do, Brian? This
L
one?
L1 R2, and you can move.
Oh,
There you go, just drop it. And then you can go across this bridge here.
Oh, that's nice.
And then you can L1 R2 and lift me up.
Got you, bro. As far as it's going though.
And you can jump that.
Okay.
Oh god, stupid legs. Oh, to my death.
Then you L1, R2. You gonna mix this up?
I'm a wizard.
You are the wizard.
I need to get down there.
Yep, kill that guy. Nice.
Oh, I touched it. So as soon as you touch it, it like goes away.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, Marcus, it's a lot better that the respawn is quicker. And then lift us up again.
I didn't change any of the numbers. Well, no, that's not correct. It would change it from alert to a smooth jam.
Use that guy.
I'm good.
And then,
Lift you up.
yep. And I'll it's fine. But yeah, this is level 3, and we just need the sound effects for that
Okay.
in the background.
Can we go lift you up?
No, you're good. Oh yeah, stand on that push plate. And then now favor. Yeah, this is completed level 4, and once again, just need some sort of audio track to play in the background. And like if you go over here on that portal, you'll come up to me.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh. And then you can move this box.
Move it?
Yeah, with that telekinesis power. R2. You have to keep holding. You have to keep holding. There you go.
Where you want it at?
Just keep following the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can drop it down that little hole.
Maybe not. Kept dropping.
So,
Mm-mm.
try moving it to the left.
Kept dropping. Oh, I'm farther over.
Get it stuck.
Oh, this is getting more complex than I thought it was.
There you go, turn that off. Here. And move that just a little bit more. Oh, on your down. Left.
How far?
keep going for that other thing.
Oh, little portals everywhere. This does not look good for me. Oh!
Oops. Okay, yeah, I can fix that. It's alright. I moved that whole back half of the level. You stay there though. Go back over there.
Go back over there?
Yeah, you're gonna have to move the laser. Yeah, just jump over there. And then you gotta move that one.
Like R1. Like that?
Yeah, there you go. Just point it at this one.
Ooh. So sensitive. That one? Or down?
Yeah, but you gotta hit the mirror.
Yeah.
There you go. Now move that one.
There?
Yeah, there you go. And then join me over here.
Where did that? Come back up.
Turn that going.
Yay! What do I need to do?
Jump over here with me.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Good phasing too. And then
Right there?
yeah, and then move that
And
one
that one?
over here. Okay, jump over here. Oh, right now. Oop, am I stuck? I'm stuck. What the heck? Kill me with this laser. Oh, never mind. Hold on, you got me. Actually, yeah, you have to.
I need to move something?
Yeah, I think. Can you do that? I never actually tested this.
What am I doing?
Hit this wall with that laser. Somehow magically. Nope, we can't do that. Point it at that one.
Can I phase you through it?
Nah. Hold on, let me see.
Okay. Maybe like turn it a little bit.
This is the problem.
Oh.
That's what happens when you don't test. crap. Little pain.
What? No, you need to do the really scratch.
Oh, come on. Yay!
You want me to grab it again?
Okay, there we go. Okay, jump up there, Micah. Yeah, stand on that blue thing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
The blue thing?
yeah.
Oh, nice.
Change that. Right in. And make a box here.
How do I do that?
L on R1.
Oh, okay. Right here?
R1. Blocking.
So
You're hitting L2. Hit L1.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah. Okay.
Oh. Oh, I made it.
Still haven't updated the boss yet.
Oh.
But, yeah.
Way to carry.
Alright.
Way to carry. Good job.
Yeah, that's just the boss scene. It's going to be different. And just need some background music for that until we get to the boss. But yeah, that's pretty much all we need. So we need the music for the main menu, scenes 1 through 5, and the sound effects for the Wizard's Lightning. And I think you pretty much gave us everything else, but if you could just update that, I think we'll be good. And we'll be all set. I'll get the other video to you hopefully later tonight or early in the morning tomorrow.
Feel like